Tecno has launched the Spark 55G in India, adding another option to the already crowded budget 5G segment. This one leans heavily on battery life and practical features rather than trying to stand out with flashy specs, which, for this price range, probably makes sense. The phone comes with a 6.78-inch HD Plus LCD display and a 120Hz refresh rate. It's still 720p, so sharpness isn't the highlight here, but the higher refresh rate should make everyday use feel smoother. Tecno is also claiming up to 560 nits of brightness, which should be just about enough for outdoor visibility in most cases. Performance is handled by the MediaTek Dimensity 6400, a 6nm chip that's fairly common in entry-level 5G phones right now. It's paired with either 4GB or 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, with a microSD slot if you need more space. It's not built for heavy gaming, but for regular use like calling, messaging, watching YouTube, and making online payments, it should be more than enough. The biggest talking point, however, is the battery. Tecno has gone with a 6500 mAh unit, which is on the larger side even for budget phones. It supports 45W fast charging, so while the battery is big, topping it up shouldn't take forever. For users who don't like carrying a charger around, this could be a real advantage. Cameras are pretty straightforward. There's a single 50MP rear sensor and an 8MP front camera. No extra lenses, no gimmicks, just the basics. It should do okay in good lighting, but expectations should be realistic. That said, one thing that helps it stand out is the pixel-like pill-shaped camera island. It gives the phone a more premium look, and for many buyers, design plays a big role as long as the basics are covered. The phone also gets an IP64 rating and a MIL STD-A10H certification. It adds a bit of reassurance if the phone takes the occasional drop or gets exposed to splashes. The Spark 55G starts at 16,999 Indian rupees for the 4GB variant and goes up to 18,999 Indian rupees for 6GB RAM. Sales begin April 3rd via Amazon and Flipkart. Overall, it feels like a very straightforward device. Big battery, decent performance, and just enough features to cover daily needs.